In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a nickel bank account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website, which is going to be nickel.eu, and then on the top corner, as you may notice, it has an option for you to open an account, or click this button below that says open a nickel account in 5 minutes. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is super simple. It may take a little while, and if Nickel Bank is not available in your country or region, you might want to use a VPN so that you can access it. Alright, now you will be asked in which country you are residing. Is it going to be Belgium or France, Germany, and what language do you prefer to use? Now in my case, I am going to be choosing a Belgium for now, and I'm using English. Click the next button. Now the next one is super important. You want to make sure to prepare the following to start. Of course, you need to make sure that you choose the account must be for non-business use. And of course, you need to make sure that you have all of these valid identity cards, a mobile phone, your phone's camera or webcam for identifications, and click the open an account in 5 minutes. Here, enter your email address and click the start button and follow the on-screen instruction. Here, you need to start the verification by clicking the orange button. Okay, so you need to provide all these: identity, personal data, fiscal, bank signature, and finalization. Now again, you need to choose the issuing country. For example, we're going to be choosing something like Belgium because that's what we have chosen earlier. Okay, now you need to provide all of these information or details: passport, photo page, identity card, which is going to be showing the front and back, and the residence permit. So let's try to do that. Now, once you have uploaded your photo, all I have to do is follow all of these and provide the details needed. Okay? Once registration is complete, pay the account setup fee. You'll receive your Nickel debit card immediately. No waiting days or weeks. Your account is active right away. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create and open a Nickel bank account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.